I've created this video to illustrate my vision of the new tool. When we open the tool, we should say connecting at the top, and this gives us time to connect to the cloud service, whether it be OneDrive or the other service that you mentioned. After we connect, if there's an error message, well, in the process of connecting, if there is an error message, we should display that in the message area. After connection is verified, we will change the word connecting to ready. Now the next step will be to enter the box number, keeping in mind the format that it should have with the parentheses, B period, 4 numeric characters, a hyphen, 2 alphabetic characters, another hyphen, and 3 numeric characters. So you could validate that it meets that format. However, you will not display the %B period, the first 3 characters. That's a code which tells us whether it's box number or part ID number. That code will also allow you to populate the correct field. So we at this point would strip away the %B period and display it in the box number field. For the purpose of this demo, I'm not going to enforce the validation check of the box number and part number in order to make it simpler to understand. So you would then enter the box number, and of course this would have to have the focus. We would actually want to hit the scan button in order to scan the box number. As an option, I would like to be able to attach a Bluetooth scanner to this that would scan automatically. That means the box field has to have the focus. So I'm going to enter in a box number here, 999. It doesn't matter because I removed the error check. You can enter anything here for testing purposes. And then hit the tab key to go to the part ID field. In this case, it gives us a message that it's not a valid number, but it's not going to stop us. The next step would be to enter the part ID number, which would be in the format of 1234- 6-digit numeric number with the prefix of %P period. And again, when you see the %P period, you know it's a part ID number and you know it goes into this field. And then now that the part number would be entered, the part ID and the box number, when you tab out of that field, again, it's giving us a warning here that I didn't enter the correct format, but when you tab out of that field, the take photo button would be enabled. If I click on the take photo button, that would allow me to take a photo, and then you should display that photo in the photo box. So just like it'll look something like this. Now understand that under normal circumstances, you'll be required to take 2 photos at a minimum before the send button will work. However, in this demo, I'll enable the save button right now. Now now you could click the save button, and this would simulate saving the video on the cloud service. When you hit the save button, we need to do a lot of things. We need to verify that the box number and the part number meet the criteria that we define with the %B period and so forth. Keeping in mind that someone could have changed it since I know you originally verified it, but someone could have changed that number before you hit the save number. So we want to check it again. We want to make sure that we have a minimum of 2 photos. We want to transmit to the server with the proper names. We want to display a message in the format of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 saved, and that's going to go in the message area here. And and that'll be our acknowledgement after the save has been completed. We also transmit the consolidation box number as a text file using the format of part ID CBN. So it's going to have the 1, 2, 3, 4 hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 format, and .cbn, which will let us know it's the consolidation box number, CBN. Then we're going to set the focus for the the box number, so that we're ready for the next entry. If the part ID has already been, yes. If you go to save the entry and the part ID has already been saved, we should not automatically overwrite. We should give the user let them know this already exists. Do you want to overwrite it? And if any errors are encountered, we should display them in the message area. We should also read back the information from the server after we save it, just to make sure that it did indeed save, kind of a verify operation. In addition to that, I have controls here for the previous and the next photo. I have a control here to delete the current photo. We have our copyright message. The name of the tool is at the top, and our copyright message is at the bottom. So I hope this tool will help in understanding my vision. I'm not saying it has to look exactly like this and work exactly the way this works, but this will give you my vision of what we're looking for. Thank you.